Ever wondered if some animals actually glow in the dark, like something out of a fantasy movie? Well, it's not just fiction. There are creatures all over our planet that produce their own light, and it's one of nature's most magical phenomena. So how do they do it? Let's dive into the amazing world of bioluminescence. First up, what exactly is bioluminescence? It's a fancy word, but the concept is pretty simple. It's a chemical reaction that happens inside a living organism's body to create light. Think of it like a tiny natural light bulb. This isn't the same as things that glow under a blacklight. That's called biofluorescence. Bioluminescent animals make their own light from scratch. No external light source needed. The key ingredients are usually a molecule called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. When they mix together with oxygen, poof, light is created. It's a super efficient process that produces almost no heat, which is why it's often called cold light. So who are these glowing creatures? You might be thinking of fireflies, and you'd be right. They're probably the most famous example on land. Fireflies flash their lights to communicate, attract mates, and sometimes even to trick other insects into becoming dinner. Each species has its own unique flashing pattern, like a secret code flickering in the summer night. But the real light show happens deep in the ocean. Down where the sun can't reach, it's estimated that over 75% of deep-sea creatures can produce their own light. It's a world filled with glowing wonders. Take the anglerfish, for example. It has a built-in fishing rod with a glowing lure hanging in front of its mouth. In the pitch-black darkness, smaller fish are drawn to this mysterious light, swimming right into the anglerfish's waiting jaws. It's a brilliant and slightly terrifying survival strategy. Then there are squid and jellyfish that use their lights for defense. The vampire squid, when threatened, can release a cloud of glowing mucus to dazzle and confuse a predator, giving it time to escape. Some jellyfish, like the crystal jelly, have a protein called GFP, or green fluorescent protein. Scientists have actually learned how to use GFP in medical research to watch processes inside cells, which has been a huge game changer in understanding diseases. Bioluminescence isn't just for big creatures. Even tiny single-celled organisms called dinoflagellates can light up. If you've ever been to a beach at night and seen the waves sparkle with a magical blue light, you've witnessed this firsthand. Every splash, every footstep makes them glow. It's a defense mechanism. The sudden flash of light can startle a predator, or even attract a bigger predator to eat the first one. So why do animals go to all this trouble to glow? It's all about survival. They use light to find food, to attract a mate, to defend themselves from predators, and to communicate with each other in the dark. From the familiar flicker of a firefly in your backyard to the strange and beautiful lights of the deep ocean, bioluminescence is a stunning example of how life adapts in incredible ways. It turns the darkest parts of our world into a spectacular, living light show. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing glowing animals, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.